Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Square Tap to Pay on iPhone so that you can accept contactless payments using just your iPhone and the Square Point of Sale app. So to begin, open the Square Point of Sale app on your iPhone, and from the main menu screen, tap More, then go Settings. After that, select Account and look for Tap to Pay on iPhone. So tap that option, then turn on Tap to Pay on iPhone. You may also need to link your Apple ID to finish the setup. So once that is complete, your iPhone is ready to accept contactless payments. Now, to take a payment, add an item to the sale or enter the amount that you want to charge. Tap Review Sale, tap Charge, and choose Tap to Pay on iPhone as the payment method. Next, ask your customer to use a contactless card, Apple Pay, or another supported digital wallet when they are ready. And have them hold their payment method near the top of your iPhone, right over the contactless symbol. So once the payment goes through, you should hear a beep and see a check mark on the screen. And that is how you set up and use Square Tap to Pay on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.